For Dinah's request, we've decided to copy position data from an existing position. So let's search Add Update Position Info to find the position we want to copy from. A quick navigation from the Position Management tile takes us directly into the Add Update Position Info page. We want to search for blank Assistant 2 positions in the Housing and Dining Department that we may want to copy position data from. There are many search fields we can use, but the lookups for department and job code won't populate unless we enter in the business unit code for UC Berkeley, which is BKCMP. To illustrate this, let me first use the job code lookup without adding BKCMP. Notice I have no results. But if I add BKCMP as the business unit, tab out of the field, and then use the job code lookup, I now have access to Berkeley job codes, and I can use these additional search features to narrow down my results. I'll add in the department code for housing and dining, and I also am going to check Include History so I can see the effective dated history of the positions returned in my search results. Notice that I have 5 search results. 2 are open, 3 are filled. I can copy position data from any position as long as I have 2 details about that position: the position number and an effective date that confirms the time in this position's effective dated history that I want to copy from. Given that positions have a history, I can copy from any point in that history. I just need to know when. Let's open this first position to see if the position data would save us time if we were to copy it. I can see all 5 tabs of position data, and since I included history, I can also scroll through the effective dated history of this position. This will be helpful to get a sense of how this position has been used previously and to confirm the effective date I want to copy from. Looking at the different rows of effective dated history, I can see that this position hasn't really changed much over time. For an effective date, I'll use the effective date in row 1, 7/7/23. So let's copy from position number 40164468 with an effective date of 07/07/2023.